Oh, okay.
Hooked up and backdrop suplex. And you have to think at this point that we might see some temporary.
Now, this is a place to fight. This is where they make all the broken down tables in his $1 million company after he became a celebrity, winning all those cancer games.
Dude, I could work at a construction site, but I wouldn't know any of the terms.
Leaving broken down table in a rod. This is basically a cancer games contestant thematic battle here. I like how the commentators are just sitting there behind like that thing.
Jim, you know it's morally unethical to put a broken down table near a construction site, right?
Yeah. But it's their TV ratings, you have to.
Dude, Jim is Quentin Tarantino. Putting his fucking actors' lives in danger for content.
You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You know, this is top tier content. I also love the invisible wall of just like a shitty PNG of a truck right there, and they just can walk through it. And this is the quality that I arrived for. Ooh. What is Invisible Dad doing? Looks like he's taking a piss. Oh, broken down table re-enters the fray. Oh, it's RGM ragdolls him.
Jim, you know what would be like really extra to do? Instead of having Invisible Dad like covered in white, have him covered in green, and then we can like key out the green, edit the videos.
Oh,
and so he's actually invisible.
I could look into that.
Try hard
get
this.
The exact type of green. I might test it out eventually. Just for one match.
Dude, like random other characters are just gonna be getting keyed out. Like if you have any green on you.
I like, going for the pin, but it takes the referee like 10 seconds, even counting one. Like how Invisible Dad is 6-2, and all 6 of his wins come from Beetlejuice, and you can't beat anyone else.
Dude, there's a guy in Call of Duty camping in the waterfall. I'm gonna throw a grenade over there.
As you should.
Got him.
What a match.
But he also got me. Oh, you can barely see Rock Lobster on camera. And most of the action is taken off screen. Just a shitty PNG of a truck, and while they get all the fun back there. Beautiful. What a quality form of entertainment right here. Rotorilla.
I don't know what's happening, but RGM is getting outclassed. He has not looked the same in the last few matches after his Hell Shell's title reign. 1, 2. Oh, somebody did a finisher. Getting Rock Lobster more towards the ring here. That can even do that.
Rock Lobster.
I'll take this. There we go. Yeah, dragging everyone else back up here where they should be.
I'm not actually ahead of this. I can't find anyone.
Ignoring Rock Lobster. Okay, I'm not liking this blatant disrespect.
This just turned into like an episode of a show. Like this isn't even a fight anymore. I know what's going on.
Yeah, you can't even see any of the action. Just fighting. Oh my god, he just ignores Rock Lobster after smacking him down and goes back.
into the abyss to behind the truck PNG. Oh man, I tried to save the match. It did not work. Alright. Curious if I can go back in this ring though. Alright, let's give it a shot. Alright, couldn't do it there. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that climb. There we go, back in action.
So is this how it's supposed to look, Jim?
The mod, yeah. It's just really messed up because it's not ethical at all for the game. Ooh, Invisible Dad managed to sneak his way back in though. Look at that. I should probably save Invisible Dad from his destruction here. See what I can do. Oh, look at those moves though.
Oh my god. That is freaky. That is freaky. It's like the demon on your ceiling. The fuck?
I'm not even able to move him past like forward and back. I can't even move him left or right. He's like glitched in this spot. I'm gonna have to save him.
You gotta post this as like a glitch video, like separately from WWE, because this is one of the more haunting ones.
Oh, now BDT's glitched too.
Dude, the referee is just sliding.
We're gonna try to get up here. Alright. Oh, can't do it. Oh, tried. A bit too much of a climb for him. Well, he was able to do it. Come on. Ooh, can't get those legs up there. It's a bit of an effort. Alright. Hey, there it is. Oh, damn it. Okay, that's an interesting loophole.
This is what reality looks like if you go back in time and kill your grandpa.
Getting back into the ring.
I'm not sure if I can save BDT though. Hold on, let me try something. I can go over the top ropes there. Don't think I can do it. Uh-oh. What is this man plotting? I don't think I can even hit anyone from there. Nope. Oh, can't do it. Teleport back down there. Those two guys duke it out. Let's see what I can do about this BDT situation. Maybe I can just control BDT. Maybe I can fight his way out of it here. There we go, he's good now. And the other two are just standing there. Awesome. You gotta love it.
This is what you call.
Oh my god, what is this man doing? What is this man plotting? Oh my god, that eliminated him. Just from that high alone, that did it. Alright, now let's get RGM out of here. Alright, all of these three duke it out to see who wins the match now that we're in a viewable fighting location. Alright, so safe to say this arena is not good for matches, but it does work. Kinda. Better than some.
It does work to give me an aneurysm, that is true.
The sad part is this is not even the worst arena I have tested out. This is actually more functional than about half the ones I got.
I mean, this set doesn't look bad, but like...
The ref takes forever to start counting too. That's the funny part. Like they just stand there and like he's like 4 seconds, and the ref's like 1, 2.
You know what would be great for like one of those like 3 a.m. adult swim shows? Like a glitched video game, but it's like a glitched like just television show.
It feels extremely meta. Uh-oh, that might be it for an ID. Oh, he's still good. 2. Oh, Invisible Dad no sells it. Kicks out. Oh shit, that's it for BDT. No way it ain't. There it is. Now between Invisible Dad and Rick Gatorade Machine. Who will prevail? Rick Gatorade Machine no sells it. Throws him against the side again. Does not make a collision or impact of any sorts. Nope. Doesn't get it.
I don't believe it. I don't either. Can this ref even count the 3? All the way up. Still up. Squatting too,
Oh my god, just putting the Invisible Dad on the Gatorade Machine. Invisible Dad not even able to get a single blow in.
Dude, the Invisible Dad wants his Gatorade.
Just trying to feed and provide for his family, as he is not able to live a normal life, having to be constantly dressed up in that suit.
Right to the kidneys from behind. Bear hug, squeezing the breath out of them. Just tap out and end this thing. Losing this match would absolutely destroy him. He's trying to fight.
Choking shit out of Invisible Dad. He's supposed to be a role model for kids, and now they're gonna see him get suffocated by a Gatorade Machine as he gets his hand stuck in the Gatorade slot where he's supposed to receive his Gatorade.
It's like we're doing DBZ timing at this point.
Yeah. Oh! Invisible Dad finally gets his first non-Beetlejuice career victory. Oh, look at that celebration.
Certainly no easy task surviving against the rest of their competition in this match.
Did you add that song for Moon Man?
I added the Mac Tonight song, yeah.
Nice. Honestly, we could have also used like that St. Pepsi Michael Jackson song.
Ooh,
but
that might have worked, yeah. Oh, SF came at the worst time, right when he finished the match, he missed it.